Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Voyager Rotten Fish Easy Guide. Locate the Voyager map icon that marks the wreck site, then set a waypoint and sail east until the wreck appears on horizon. Slow your approach to avoid startling hungry fish, deploy a baited net near submerged debris, and wait for rotten fish to surface. When the rotten fish appears, use a quick scoop or hook to secure it and stow safely. Choose tools that minimize struggle and maximize catch success. A sturdy baited net with reinforced mesh works best for rotten fish, and a small hook with a quick-release line helps when timing is tight. Bring extra bait in sealed pouches and a protective storage crate to keep the rotten fish from degrading while you travel. These simple tools reduce risk of losing the catch and make collection repeatable and stress-free. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy videos for you. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker you saw here. It adds great background sound while you fish or plan routes. Check the description for the product link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Timing and stealth are everything when targeting rotten fish. Try fishing at dawn or dusk when scavengers swarm wrecks, and scan the water for ripples or bubbles that reveal a surfacing rotten fish. Move slowly and minimize noise to prevent scattering potential catches. If the first attempt fails, reposition slightly downcurrent and try again with fresh bait. These small adjustments increase your success rate and make trips more efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.